Alright folks, I'm just on Buchanan Street and I'm doing my videos around Glasgow, and this is Renfield Street. I'm going to go on up there's walkabout. Quite like an after a drink. There's a KFC. I said in another video, but there's Jollibee. Absolutely love that, my favourite fast food in Glasgow. So it's not really much to Renfield Street. There used to be, but it's more takeaways and newsagents, I think. But I suppose there's a few more shops further down the line. But this is where you go if you're going to Central Station. You see that big billboard at the background there? Just below that, that's Glasgow Central. There's the Blue Lagoon. Quite a good chippy. I have to say, my favourite fish and chips has got to be Gordon Ramsay fish and chips in Vegas. Oh my God, it was amazing. Absolutely amazing. Absolutely, I did actually film it. I thought, you know, like, doing a YouTube channel and travelling and stuff like that, I thought in for a penny, in for a pound, I'll just do everything. So I filmed myself in a few places, but I think if I put them up, it'll confuse the algorithm. Is that a travel channel? Is that a food channel? You know, I did movie videos, like talking about favourite movies. I'm set in New York and stuff, and I thought, no, I need to take them off because it's just going to confuse it. So I might do a couple of different channels with them themes, but we'll see. Anyway, as you know me, I'm a big film buff, and this building here, this white building, this used to be the Odeon. I don't know if it turned into offices or something now. I know Black Sheep Coffee, they're opening up. There's German Doner next to it. That's a good kebab shop. Quite like Germany. I've been to Bremen years ago and I loved that. If you ever get a chance, go to Germany. Go to Bremen, it's beautiful. Beautiful city. So the Odeon, that was my cinema choice for many years. And then the Cineworld opened up, and I guess that killed the Odeon. So now the Cineworld's been killed, so we need to blame that on Netflix. It's a shame, I'll go into pictures. So, let's see, slug and lettuce. I've been wanting to try that one, but it's not that often I'm up in Glasgow for something to eat, you know. The day we usually go to El Sol Mio. El Sol Mio, it's a nice Italian place. Just along, before you get to the Donald Dewar statue in Buchanan Street, turn left, and it's there. It's really nice. I point out in my other video, if you check out my Buchanan Street video, I talk about it. There's Tony Macaroni. So, food-wise, Glasgow's a brilliant place for food. It really is. I think probably the best place is New York for food, though. You know, I mean, the sheer size of it and the amount of restaurants, it's crazy. This is Renfield Street. So it's all kind of restaurants and takeaways and newsagents. It's not really a lot. I did some videos of the filming in Spider-Man 4. I haven't got into putting them on yet, I'll need to kind of find them. But I'll stitch them all together. I actually forgot I had them. So, I might do this. Might do that. It's more data stuff for the algorithm. See, this is St Vincent Street. It's another kind of famous street. I don't think there's really much on it, but anyway. Doing a travel guide and I'm saying there's not much on it. Well, as I say, there'll be better tour guides at Glasgow than me. With the exception of Glasgow, the places I'm going mostly is places that you're seeing for the first time. with Switzerland, New York, San Francisco and Vegas. Every one of them that you see, you've seen my first time on it, you know. I've travelled quite a lot, especially the last few years. But it's only recently that I've started filming myself doing it. So I thought, why not? I'll give it a go. Aye. So if you want a first time perspective, maybe my channel's maybe for you. Aye. So I do love travelling, and I've really enjoyed doing this. It's quite a confidence builder to actually take us out and walk about filming myself. Initially I didn't take it too seriously, but I've really got into it. There's Glasgow Central Station. Over there is Renfield Street. It's a Tesco Express. Used to be a really good Italian place there, but it's shut now. Something else now, another coffee shop. It's a Subway. I like Subway. There's another entrance to Central Station. There's actually 3 entrances. There's the one I just showed you, there's this one, there's one further down. See another convenience store. A lot of phone and laptop repair things. Hairdressers. It's always the best of gear in these Turkish shops, isn't it? Wonder why. I'm not saying anything dodgy about that one. It's the Charles Rennie Macintosh Hotel. I think that's quite a cheap place. There's another pound shop. There's a Christmas shop. There's a Warhammer shop, if you like kind of games. I don't get it myself, I really don't, but each to their own. O'Neill's, that's a good bar. I think it used to be called Augustin Union Street. It's changed a few times. There's a cat house. I'm not a nightclub person, but I like nightclubs. It's, I think, one of the most famous ones in Glasgow. I just like a venue with a live band or something. Do you know, all the years I've come up to Glasgow, I never knew until recently it was Scotsman Kevin on YouTube. He says in one of his videos, this is called the Four Corners, and I never heard that before in my life. And then just the other day, my sister-in-law mentioned that, the Four Corners. 46, spent the last 30 odd years coming up and down to Glasgow all the time. Never knew that. And our Central Station, and further down there, where the fish and chip sign is, just past that, that's the other entrance. So, lights are green, I'm going to cross over before the change. So, if you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and check out my other videos. I've got New York, San Francisco, Vegas, Switzerland, and soon I'll have Benidorm. There's a whole load of videos coming up, and I can't wait to share it all with you. So I hope you enjoy that, and tell your friends about me and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.